Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson M3170 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is very easy. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Epson M3170 printer driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the epson.co and whatever your country is. Here we find our printer name Epson M3170 and here we find the support. Open this support link, first link, open whatever first link is. Epson official website is open. Here we find Epson, then our printer name M3170, our printer name. After that, scroll down. Here we find the operating system, Windows, and the whatever bit is. If bit is not right or operating system is not right, then click at here. If Windows 10 32-bit, then select Windows 10 32-bit. Here we find Windows 10 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. After that, here we find go button. Click on that go button and it's refresh your whole web page. After that, scroll down. And here we find drivers. Click on this plus button, click on this plus button. Here we find the scanner driver and here we find the printer driver. We are going to first download our scanner driver and after printer driver. I go to the scanner driver, click on download. It's redirect you to the another web page. Click on I agree to the software license agreement. Check this, select this, click on download. It's redirect to the it start download on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find download is started. It's almost completed. Download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Here we find the close button, close it, close this and go to our web page once again. Go to the back. This is the back button. Go to the back and it's redirect you to the main web page. Here we find our printer name Epson M3170. Okay, here we find our operating system. Select our operating system and bit properly. Scroll down, select Windows drivers. Select drivers or expand drivers. Click on this plus button. This time go to our printer driver. Here we find our printer driver. Go to the download. Click on the download. It's also redirect to the another web page. Same thing. Agree to the software license agreement. Check this. Select this. Click on download. And download is started at the top. At the top here we find our download is started. It takes few seconds. Wait for few seconds. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and here we find our scanner driver. These setup files are actually a zip file and we are going to unzip it. First go to the printer driver. Right click on it. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK. It's extracted. Here we find newly created folder. Double click on this folder. Here we find folder. Double click on this folder. Double click on this folder. Here we find our drivers. Close it. We are going to install this printer. There are two ways. First way is go to this setup file. Double click on this setup file and install it. But best way is manually install it. And we are going to install it manually. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find many options in add a printer. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printers with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. existing port, most IMP part of this installation, click at here, and if you find any port name USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you want, click on the next, click on Havadix, click on the browse, go to the desktop, here we find one folder, double click on this folder, double click on this folder, double click on this folder. Here we find some files, select any file, all file contains same printer driver, click on open, click on OK. Here we find Epson M3170 series, it is a series printer, select our printer, click on the next, give any name that you like, I go with the same printer name, click on the next. It's install our printer, it's take 1 or 2 minutes. To be a patient and wait for a few minutes to properly install this printer on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share in the network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is install our scanner driver. That is also easy. Go to our scanner driver, double click on it or right click on it, click on run as an administrator, wait for a few seconds, click on yes, and it's unzip our files and new set of information is started, where here we find our setup is started. Click on the next, accept the terms and condition and click on the next. It's installing our scanner driver or a scanner part on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's take less than 1 minute. So be a patient and wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer driver, this scanner driver on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds to install this. Installation is complete. Click on finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, wait for a few seconds. In a printers and scanner, if you find your printer name Epson M3170, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.